Greetings, dear ones. Today we journey inward, hand in hand, towards a vision of community, a chorus of hearts singing in understanding and support. Close your eyes, let your shoulders soften, and breathe deeply of this peaceful intention. Feel the sun on your face, a golden beacon of optimism. It warms your spirit, reminding you that within you lies the power to illuminate the world, to be a spark that ignites a chain reaction of love and connection. Imagine now a field of dreams where children skip hand in hand, their laughter echoing like wind chimes in the breeze. See faces, diverse and beautiful, etched with wisdom and hope. In their eyes, a shared vision, a future where no one walks alone, where needs are met with open arms and burdens are lifted with joyful collaboration. Repeat after me, darling souls. I am a builder of bridges, not walls. My words and actions ripple outward, creating pathways of kindness and understanding. My ears are tuned to the whispers of need, my heart open to the symphony of humanity. I see the beauty in every soul, even those lost in shadows. Like a gardener, I nurture the seeds of community. I offer gentle encouragement, share my talents, and celebrate the unique blossoms of each individual. For the young ones, I am a lighthouse, guiding them towards a future of compassion and empathy. I am their cheerleader, their confidant, their unwavering belief in the magic within them. Feel the power of these affirmations surge through you, dear ones. It is not mere wishful thinking, but a potent seed of creation planted in the fertile soil of your being. Now visualize this community coming to life. See smiles bloom like wildflowers. Hear conversations laced with respect and understanding. Feel the vibrant hum of collaboration, the joyous energy of shared goals and burdens lightened. Know that you are not alone in this endeavor, sweet friends. We are all threads in the intricate tapestry of humanity, each with a unique color and texture to contribute. Together, we weave a future where understanding reigns, where needs are met with generosity, and where the laughter of children echoes through a world built on love and support. Repeat after me again with fervent belief. I am a beacon of light, casting away fear and division. My presence attracts like-minded souls, united in the dream of a better tomorrow. My voice rings with truth and compassion, inspiring others to join the chorus of unity. Together, we will drown out the whispers of discord with a symphony of kindness. I am a catalyst for change, a champion of hope. In every moment, I choose to build, to uplift, to be the living embodiment of a brighter future. Hold on to this vision, dear ones. Let it fill your heart with warmth, your mind with clarity, and your actions with purpose. You are a vital part of this community, a precious voice in the chorus of change. Go forth, shine your light, and remember, the future we dream of begins with each step we take together, hand in hand, heart to heart. Until we meet again, dear friends, remember, you are a radiant force in this world, capable of building bridges where walls once stood. Go forth, illuminate the path, and know that the seeds of love and understanding you sow today will blossom into a brighter future for all, especially the young hearts waiting to bloom.